Hi po sa inyong lahat and welcome back po sa aking channel. And for today's recipe, magluluto po tayo ng isang napakasarap at napakasimpleng soup. So I hope samahan niyo po ako, guys. So now we are going to boil these two chicken legs for about 5 minutes. And while waiting, we are going to prepare the other ingredients. So meron po ako ditong 2 pieces of celery. And hihiwain lamang po natin ito ng maliliit na piraso. Ayan, guys. So, ito po ang gamit ko sa aking pagluluto ng soup. Ayan. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to Jensifal's channel and click the bell button below for any upcoming updates of my video. Ayan, guys, and gagamit din po ako dito ng 1 carrot, and I'm going to cut also this into small pieces. Anyway, I'm going to write it down all the complete recipes in the description box below, so I hope you will check it out, guys. And gagamit din po ako dito ng 1 red onion, or pwede po kayong gumamit dito ng white onion kung ano pong gusto nyong gamitin. And a few cloves of garlic, and I'm also going to cut this into chop para parehas po ang sizes ng ating cuttings. Ayan, guys, so I would like to shout out all my viewers, sa lahat po ng nanonood ng aking video. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And sa lahat po ng aking subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always supporting my channel. Ayan, guys, and of course sa Team Sueno, maraming salamat din po sa inyong lahat, guys, sa inyong mga suporta. And gagamit din po ako dito ng konting piraso ng red bell pepper. So ayan na, guys, balikan natin ang ating chicken leg. So ito, malambot na po siya. So let's take it out and let it cool down. And we're going to reserve the soup later. Yun ang gagawin din nating chicken stock. Ayan, guys, so in another pot, naglagay po ako dito ng konting cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to boil our elbow macaroni for half cooked only, kasi we're going to cook again later. So ayan, guys, so in a clean pot, ayan, maglalagay tayo dito ng konting butter, and lalagyan natin ito ng konting cooking oil para hindi po siya masunog. Ayan, so haluin lamang po natin para mag-melt. So after melting, ayan, ilalagay na natin ang ating sibuyas at fry this for 1 minute. Mas magandang i-fry natin ang sibuyas ng mas matagal para lumambot siya. Ayan. So after 1 minute, ngayon ilalagay na natin ang ating bawang. Ayan, hindi po natin siya pinagsabay kasi ang bawang is madali po siyang masunog. So ayan, nilagay natin siya after 1 minute. So let's continue to fry for another 1 minute. So ayan, so after another 1 minute, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating carrot. And isabay na rin natin ang ating celery. Saka natin ito haluin. And let's cook this for about 1 minute. Ayan, so after 1 minute, check natin and haluin natin siya ng konti. And now, ilalagay na natin ang ating shredded chicken, yung pinakuluan natin kanina na chicken legs. Ayan. Saka natin ito haluin. And ngayon, maglalagay ako dito ng 1 piece of chicken nor cubes. Or pwede po kayong gumamit dito ng magic sarap. Ayan. And ngayon, gagamitin natin ngayon ang ating chicken stock, yung pinagpakuluan natin kanina ng chicken legs. Ayan. Haluin natin ito para mag-combine ang ating mga ingredients. Saka po natin ito lagyan ng konting paminta para pandagdag lasa. And then, saka natin takpan ito para madali po siyang kumulo. So, ayan guys. So, after, check natin ulit. Ayan, kumulo na siya. So, ngayon, ilalagay natin ang ating half-cooked macaroni pasta. Saka po natin ito haluin ng konti. And, sa ngayon, maglalagay po ako dito ng 1 cup of fresh milk. And 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or yung patis. And then now ilalagay na natin ang ating red bell pepper. Saka natin ito haluin para mag-combine lahat ang ating mga ingredients. Ayan, so, and then after that, cover it and let's continue to cook for another 5 minutes. So, ayan guys, so after 5 minutes, i-check po natin ito. Ayan na siya. Luto na ang ating chicken elbow macaroni soup. Ayan guys, so, sana nagustuhan nyo po ang ating vlog for today. And, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please do like and share also our vlogs for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. And ayan, napakadali lamang pong recipe, and this is perfect for a cold weather or in any occasion po. Ayan, so ito na po ang ating creamy sopas macaroni. Ayan guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlogs. Thank you. Bye bye. I love you guys.